How to fix Android Auto is not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps and click on app management. Scroll down and click on network. For example, this is network and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Reset phone and reset network setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Android Auto not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.